Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can ban someone from your Discord server via your Discord app on your mobile phone. I'm using iPhone at the moment. First of all, we want to go to the server that we want to remove someone from. Let's go like this, and this is my server created only for this purpose, MataHack server. Next to the name on top of your screen, there's a three dots that we want to click on. And as we click, this pop-up window will show up. As you can see, there is a couple of options, but we are only interested in one called Settings on your right side or the middle of your right side of the screen. We press Settings. Another pop-up window will show up, and there are members on the bottom. Let's go to members, and as you can see, there are all the members that are present on this server. So we want to pick one. We can kick bot or we can kick just the person. We press on the name and we go ban mana bar. There's this another pop-up window where you can delete the message history, and also you just can ban him. And that's it. It's very easy, and you can also revoke the ban, so don't worry. So thanks for watching and see you on the next video.